Welcome to Serena Beauty Home. Okay, make we come together. Make I show you how to.
Hello everyone, it's your girl Zarina. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make Supreme Whitening Oil. But before I go to my workstation, I'd like to clear the air. This whitening oil is pro mix method. When we're talking about pro mix, we're talking about using branded products to whip up a recipe. Products from the market. These are not products that we made from the scratch. For this whitening oil, in case you don't know, they have whitening additives. They have loads of additives in them that you might not know the composition. Because I got some people who like to apply oil directly on your skin. But for this particular oil, it's a lightening oil. I do not advise you apply it directly on your skin. You know why? Because some of these oils contain industrial chemicals. The only way you can use them effectively is to incorporate them in your cream. There are oils that you can actually use directly on your skin. Oils that are made practically for you to shimmer your skin. If you can only lay your hand on such oils, you can roll with carrier oils and essential oils just to shimmer your skin. It will give you that wonderful glow you're looking for. Today I'll show you. I made this little quantity of lightening oil. For this little quantity, you want to incorporate it in 80 ml of your cream to make it effective, and you want to use it morning and night. Now, if you have a bleached skin, this is not for you. You want to get your skin treated. I've dropped videos on how you can treat the damaged skin. You want to look out for that. I'll be leaving the link on the screen somewhere. Go watch those videos, get your skin treated, and you can roll along with us. I took my time to do that because I want to carry everyone along. For some of you who want to go into this skincare full time, we tutor and also train people. So if you're interested in the training, feel free to contact us and we'll schedule you on how you can go through the training. Having said that, let's go to my workstation and I'll show you how to whip up this recipe. Stay tuned, guys. Welcome to my workstation, guys. Quickly, let me introduce to you what I'll be using to whip up this recipe. Here I've got avocado oil. You can decide to use another oil of your choice. Maybe like sweet almond oil. That is what I got, and it's also moisturizing oil, pure organic 100%. Here I have my magic white serum. Here I have Shenick 3 days result. It's a concentrate. Here I have my Snow White oil, and I have my whitening glycerin. So I'll show you how to mix this oil. For your avocado oil, you need about 10 ml. This 5 ml. So we need 2 of this. There's no white oil. You need also 10 ml. There's no white oil. For your magic white, you need 5 ml. This recipe will not only whiten you when incorporated in your cream, but it also glow you at the same time. For your 3 days 3 days result concentrate, you need 7.5 ml. That's half tablespoon. your whitening glycerin, you need 7.5 ml as well. And I'll be adding my Extreme Whitening Oil. It's company made.
It says on the base, you specify.
For this, you just want to incorporate all the oils together
on the base.
You want to invest in this little whisker for purposes like this. I think I should have used another container instead of this yellow container. For this oil, you don't need any preservatives because they are all branded products, and you can see we didn't add any form of water into this. And you want to, for this amount of oil, you just want to incorporate it in probably 80 ml of your cream base, 80 to 120 ml of your cream base, and you want to use it morning and night. Please during the day if you're going out. For those of you who live in an excessive hot environment, you want to use your SPF. Don't go sunbathing while using this mix. So that's it, guys. Well, this is how to mix your whitening oil. For those of you who are interested in going to the business of skincare full time, we do training and also tutor people, guide them on how to, establish this business. So if you're interested, feel free to contact us, and we'll see how we'll put you through. So until next time, share and like my video, keep that glow alive, and I'll see you next Sunday. Bye bye, guys.